So we have seen how to apply any property, any CSS property to any particular tag of a group of tags. Suppose you want to apply any property to one paragraph out of several paragraphs, then we can apply using classes. We will learn another method also, that's of using the ID for applying that property to that part only. So what I want now is that how we will be able to apply that. Let's see it. We will be using the ID. What I want, comments to be appear in green. So using the ID, I'm giving some ID to these comments. Let's see the code where we have declared the comment part. Here the heading was comments. So I'm going to give some ID to here. I'm giving ID equal to, suppose I'm giving let's only give com as an ID. Now we will open the CSS file and want some to apply some properties to this ID. For that we have to use hash for using that ID, and the ID name was com, and inside the curly bracket we are going to set the properties and its value. Property name was color, and I want it to be green, so I'm tapping it green and save it using Control S, and now refresh the page. And now refreshing the page, you can see comments is green now. So this is the method of applying any properties to a particular part only using the ID. We can have used using the by making classes also, but if we have not to use that property several times, unless and until we not have to use more than one time, it is preferred to use the either the ID, or you can directly add the properties using the what we call the inline CSS method. So class is created no class should not be created unless and until we have to use that property more than once. So that's all for the ID part. Thank you very much.